So guys, it's JR and it's What a Bike Time. Syempre, it's always What a Bike Time here at What a Bike Shop. So, meron pa rin tayong G7 version 2 guys. And here is it at the back. Syempre, yung version 2 natin. Yung Brutus. We also have the Imperium. Syempre, ito, naka 4.8 to. Depende yan sa gusto nyo. Pero pag ultra wide, you're looking for the ultra wide para sa ganyan, it's naka 5.05. Also, since it's What a Bike Time, meron din tayo ng suspension right here. Ayan. Special build po yan. If you're looking for merch as well, available po yan. Bags, rims, forks, shirts. What you're gonna do, check our website for that one, and or check the Facebook. Pwede nyo rin siyang i-Google, pwede nyo siyang i-Google Maps. Anything that you want to know, go to the physical shop para makita nyo mismo. Shopee, meron din, Lazada, meron din, and visit us here, Ortigas Extension, right after Ford. See you guys.